Welcome back to the bi-weekly Tuesday Tech Tip from the Kane County ROE. My name is Phil Morris, Director of Operations and Technology. With the school year getting started, I thought I would share a couple of Google Doc tips I get asked about on occasion. The first one is special characters. I sometimes need to be able to put a tilde, accents, or other special characters in documents or presentations. Google makes this very easy. Within Google Docs or presentations, you can click on Insert and then choose Special Characters. It will then bring up a box for you to choose what you're looking for. Many times, I will choose Latin and Common from the pull-down menu, and it will have the characters I'm looking for. If you're trying to find the copyright or trademark symbol, you can also click in the search window and type copyright or trademark, and it will show you the symbol. Just select the symbol, and it will insert it into your document. Sometimes, you may also need to insert a mathematical equation into your document. This is another easy feature. You can click on Insert and choose Equation. A toolbar will then become available for you to insert your equation. There are greater than or equal to symbols, along with many others that I like to use. I have included a link in the resource section which details inserting an equation. The final fun tool to use is voice typing. Voice typing works great to translate your voice into text. You will still need to add punctuation and proofread the text, but it does the heavy lifting in translating your words to print. To get started with voice typing, go to Tools and choose Voice Typing. Then you'll be off and running with voice to text. I hope these will help you complete an assignment in the near future. Please take a moment to share on social media and with others.